Hey guys, Hashan from Exodius Auto Protection, and here we have this Land Rover Defender. It's in for a full vinyl wrap plus some window tint. It's going to be going 3M satin dark gray, so it's a similar color to what this is. It's a little bit darker and it's a satin finish, so it's going to look a lot more like that Carpathian finish that a lot of these Defenders come with. But what we're also going to be doing is we're going to be wrapping this front bar and a very similar PPF, colored PPF as to this down here. And we're also going to be putting a little strip of green inside over here to match the Land Rover Defender logo. We're doing a lot of different colors to this vehicle. On the back of the vehicle, we're going to be doing some gloss black. So it's going to be like 4 different colors on this Defender, but I think it's going to come out really, really nice. So let's kind of follow through with the entire installation process, and you'll guys see what goes into a full vinyl wrap. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so now we're back a few days later. I know we would get you guys kind of in the middle, but unfortunately, our installers, they do amazing work and they do it relatively fast. So most of the vehicles are already finished up. As you can see, both sides, all of the satin dark gray parts are finished up. Kind of a cool detail that the customer wanted on this was he wanted to kind of take the Land Rover green color from the badging and have it appear somewhere else on the vehicle. He ended up choosing this little bar over inside here, so that's what we did. We also wrapped this portion down here, and we wrapped this portion right here in a satin silver color PPF to match this over here. Unfortunately, these parts cannot be wrapped just because of how many holes, but he wanted to see it somewhere else on the vehicle, just like the green, so we put it on here as well. Following me to the side of the vehicle, all of this is done. We were able to get the door handles pretty much all finished up as well. Very difficult door handles to do all in one piece, but we knocked it out of the park on those. Following, this looks a lot like the Carpathian edition. Wrapped the little bar on the side as well. Now we're gonna be wrapping the rear. It's a little bit dark back here, but we're gonna be doing some gloss black accents. I think you guys will see those at the end, but pretty exciting. It's really coming along together, so you guys will see the finished product very, very soon. Hey guys, so we're back with the final part on the Land Rover Defender now. It's all finished up for the most part. I have a little bit left to go, but the vehicle leaves tomorrow and we're not gonna have enough time to shoot it tomorrow, so I just wanted to kind of give you guys a quick rundown of the vehicle. So we did a full satin dark gray 3M vinyl wrap on it. Then we also did the little details where we kind of color matched it to the trim over there. We color matched this to the Land Rover logo, kind of following on the side of the vehicle. Right now, all that we really have left is badging and little things like putting on a little piece right inside over here. But in general, I think this came out amazing. An excellent project. We actually have another Defender coming in, I think in 2 days. So we're working back to back on these things. They're super popular over here. But yeah, I think you guys will get to see a little bit more of it. But yeah, it's an excellent car to wrap. So definitely wrap your Defenders.